Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. We are here going to show you some more tech news that is happening in 2020. And of course, if you follow me, you know that I do tech. I'm kind of testing a few different ways to do videos. I had been coming on the screen at the beginning. I'm working on a few new intros and just kind of testing a few new ways to do videos. Number 1, subscribe. 2, share this. And 3, go below and connect with us on our social medias. So, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the tech news. I go to foxnews.com, and I know you can do this, but a lot of people don't like looking through, and they would rather listen to it on YouTube. Okay, the question is, these are some question and answers. I know my phone tracks wherever I go. How can I make it stop? It's such an invasion of my privacy, and I know big tech is keeping it all in some database. The answer? Yes, it is eerie. The companies know your physical whereabouts and the breadth of your knowledge. It's hard to even grasp. And many apps may not work correctly, including Maps and Find My Friends. As a result, you can technically turn off the tracking mode. You may reduce much of your smartphone's usefulness. And I'm going to step aside from here. I'm right in there. Your map won't work. Your trying to find a restaurant, trying to find different businesses won't work. But some folks may prefer to browse the internet from their phones in peace, and there are several ways to do this without giving away your coordinates. In short, you have several options. Okay, now we are going to go and see how to stop the phone tracking. Okay, number 1, tweak your phone's location settings. Okay, you can prevent iOS and Android from tracking you, but companies don't make it easy. The feature is buried inside your device's privacy settings, and by default, it records your daily routine. And they're known as frequent locations. It keeps track of where you are and how long you stay there. It even knows where you live and work based on how long you're there and the number of times you visit. It may be unsettling, but you can turn the feature off. Here are the basic steps. Go to Settings, go to Privacy, select Location Services, scroll down to System Services. Choose the significant locations to see the logged record of where you've been and toggle it off. You can also clear your history by clicking Clear History. Now, that's on the iOS. On the Android device, you can open Settings. Sorry about that. Scroll down and tap Locations or Advanced. If you have a work profile, at the top, turn Use Location Off. To delete your device's location cache, tap Delete Location History at the bottom of the screen under Location History. Repeat this process for each Google account you have. on your Android device. And one of the things, I have like 3 or 4 different Gmail accounts, so everything does track. It is what it is. Number 2, limit ad tracking. Ending location tracking may sound extreme, which is why you prefer to combat the ads themselves. Thankfully, iOS and Android provide built-in options to minimize and limit ad tracking. These tools will not totally stop companies from tracking your phone activities, but they won't limit the number of ads you see, but they will allow you to reset your advertising ID and unlink any targeted advertising profiles. Okay, here's how you do that, and we're going to stop with this one on this video. We're going to go back and come back on the next video and go on. Okay, for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, go to Settings, tap Privacy. This is for the ad tracking. Tap Advertising, limit ad tracking. Make sure it's on. You can also reset your advertiser identifier in this section to unlink any previous data associated with your Apple ID. On Android, go to Settings, tap Google, tap Ads, toggle on opt out of ads personalization. So that is how you undo location and limit ad tracking. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Share this with your friends, and go below, connect with us on our other social media channels. We will come back in our next video and go on through the other steps. Thank you again. We will catch you in our next video.